Okay, we're going to hit the new button to make a new file on Google Drive. We're going to go Google Doc. And we are going to name this document Sad Drawing. What we're going to do is we're going to go Insert and Drawing. From here, we have a bunch of things we can draw. We can do a line, we can freehand draw, but we're going to go Shape, and we're going to select the smiley face. He's going to be right here. Except this guy is not going to be a smiley face, he's going to be a frowny face, because this is a sad drawing. We're going to save and close. And if you want to move this guy around, you go Wrap Text, and then you can move him around